This is the huge cruise ship Grand Princess that's in the harbour at the moment. It's one of three that's coming in the next 3 months. Newcastle Harbour's a working harbour, and they're the wheat silos there. And right over the back we can just see them cranes. That is the largest coal facility in the world. That is pretty amazing. Here's a different angle of that cruise ship. And all the way down there, both sides of the harbour, is all coal loaders. Load the coal, go all over the world. This cruise ship can hold 3,600 people. Amazing, it's a city in itself.